Versace. J'admire beaucoup Donatella Versace. Elle a été fantastiquement courageuse après la mort de son frère. Moi qui la connaissais, la petite sœur, soyez gâtée quand elle avait 15 ans. C'était pas facile de faire face. Elle l'a fait admirablement. Elle a tenu l'image à la même hauteur que du temps de son frère flamboyant. Et je dois dire, j'aime Donatella.
I'm very lucky to be Donatella Versace. Behind the scene.
Encore un grand bazar, mais...
I'm a bit extreme. I love drama. I'm a drama queen, so...
C'est très rock'n'roll, la marque.
Hey, sexy on the runway, eh? Very sexy.
Sexe.
de la folie.
I love to change everything the last moment. The dress for a woman is it's a weapon. I see fashion like that. That something will help you to get something you want in life.
Donatella Versace est l'héritière d'un empire créé en 1978 par Gianni Versace, assassiné à Miami en 1997. Donatella Versace était la muse de son frère, qui lui avait même confié la direction artistique de sa seconde ligne, Versus. Deux labels pour une vision, celui du monde Versace, un monde absolument fabuleux, absolument hystérique, le symbole des excès de la mode, de la richesse baroque, sans complexe, typique de la Calabre, soit le sud flamboyant de l'Italie. Des corps, de l'argent, surtout pas de modestie, mais aussi un sens de la coupe et de l'artisanat, grand train.
Je crois que Versace, c'est une ligne qui aime montrer ce qu'on a, ce qu'on met. Et je pense qu'il ne faut pas avoir peur, il faut simplement y aller.
Après le décès de Gianni Versace, sa sœur Donatella surmonte à peine son deuil, qu'elle doit prendre les rênes de la maison. Elle continue de décliner le rêve Versace dans toutes les catégories de produits de luxe. Les parfums, les lits de soie, les fourchettes en or, les porte-clés en diamant, les costumes de tueurs, les robes pour aller chercher les Oscars, les ascenseurs en ivoire. Tout cela signé du visage de la Médusa, l'emblème de la marque. Mais jamais, jamais, jamais de chaussures plates, quelle horreur.
Des choses?
No, boots.
Ah, boots. Okay.
Versace is about sensuality and, you know, feminine and glamour. Why wear flat shoes?
Donatella Versace exerce son autorité artistique sans faille tous les jours et à tous les niveaux.
7 days a week. Can you believe or not, she is in the company to present this kind of collection.
She's really brave. She is not fear, and if she's falling down, she has always the strength to face a problem.
I always have a solution. That's why I love me so much.
À l'équipe de s'adapter à Donatella Versace et pas l'inverse.
I have to switch to the world of Donatella. Yes, which is great. Yeah, it's like being, you know, in the cinema.
Voici le jour d'avant, Versace.
This is the day before the show, and I'm not sure of anything anymore. You know, when you try to question everything, it's a torture, which I show only to her, because she can handle, but I cannot show to anybody else, when everybody gets confused. But it always happens, you know. But I think that creativity moments happen from tension, and I have a lot of tension on myself today. L'unica cosa che volevo dire in questo, vogliamo fare un po' errore simmetrico, se ci riusciamo? E là c'è il triangolo, bilancia un po' di più il mix dei tessuti. Oh! Oh mamma! Scusate. Vabbè, sometimes happens. You see the tension?
La tension est palpable et pour cause. Ces robes ne sont pas terminées et elles sont d'une complexité technique sans nom. La construction est un casse-tête, les matières sont ingérables. Donatella Versace y tient. Ces défilés doivent être une démonstration de force pour les connaisseurs de mode les plus exigeants et les clientes qui ont tout vu, tout acheté, tout porté, tout refait.
Red, purple and red. Okay. So change it up the color because this is, it looks a little bit down there. Okay. You can experiment with different material. Metal ring, colored in the same color of the leather, you know, the leather, purple and red. There is a lot of this material, maybe in a simple way, in a more pret-à-porter way, but 2 or 3 pieces like this give the right message, you know, people understand what it's about, the collection.
Mais l'équipe est soudée, notamment grâce à la meilleure cantine de Milan, la table de Donatella Versace où s'échangent les plus croustillantes anecdotes de la mode. Aujourd'hui, on parle des frasques d'une ancienne attachée de presse de mode, forcément hystérique.
I didn't know her. She's
Hysterical.
an editor came to her and said, but you know, my seat is terrible, I'm sitting second row. Why would you sit me in the second row? And apparently she looked at her and said, because you're not important.
But you know, Vogue Australia came to the show, this I'll never forget. I was out and they came and sit in first row. And she needs to sit, found suddenly for somebody else. Who are those people? She said, come to Australia Vogue. Can you move, please? Oh, no, you have to move, you have to move. I said, well, no, we're sitting first row. You know what? This is a winter collection. It's always warm in Australia. We're sitting first row. In their face, like this. Allora, I introduced my team, which is a very large team. These people around here are my family. I share everything with them because I know I can trust them. Bruce Guimard is my personal assistant. He's fantastic. The only problem is French, so that's a problem. Everything else is fine. Renato is my makeup artist. Marco Lorenzetti, designer. Angela Gela does casting for Versace. Brana, we love each other, we hate each other, at least 20 times a day. And this is a stylist job, you know, another job. Julie Magnon, everybody in the world knows who Julie Magnon is. She's my boss during the show. Carlo is my hairdresser. He's fantastic out from New York to do my hair. I'm not a diva, just this. Pierre Roger. He's my fabulous PR who does strategies for us. Lorenza, she's my right arm. We're always together, and I trust her 100% because she tells me the truth. And when she doesn't, I understand, I scream to her.
Autre collaborateur sur lequel on ne crie même plus, c'est Luigi Massi, le premier d'atelier qui a cousu l'Empire Versace. Une légende italienne et coriace. À se demander qui est la diva de la maison.
Buongiorno, Luigi. Look, what it is. I mean, you can see. He's brilliant. Everybody wants him. Everybody wants the clothes done by him. I'm talking about celebrities, because you can see around Angelina, everybody. To me, what matters is that he never gives me an answer. How many outfits you're going to do on time? When you're going to do it? When I'm going to try? Nothing. Hai lasciato la franja più lunga?
Lui mi dice di sì.
Luigi?
Luigi dice di sì.
I was about to make this fringe a bit shorter. He said no. He won't do it. He won't do it. So, him. I let him say no for a moment. Ma la frangia è un po' più corta, no, quello.
Bisogna accorciare, poi... Ma sì, la frangia anche all'ultimo secondo si può...
Se va più corta da qui e gli fa punta sul lato.
Okay.
Perché qua è tutto triangolare, questa cosa netta così. Thank God, say yes. No, not for everything, a little bit. Sai che c'è la prova generale stasera? Sì, ok. Ciao. Arrivederci. Arrivederci.
Donatella Versace se rend sur le lieu des essayages et du défilé, le Teatro Versace. Parce qu'à Milan, les grandes maisons ne louent pas de vagues entrepôts ou des lieux publics. Elles ont chacune leur théâtre privé ou défilé chaque saison. La créatrice doit mettre au point le tableau final du défilé. Elle explique sa vision à son attaché de presse, Pierre Rougier.
This is gonna be all blue, all mirror. And the girl walks like the whole show. And then when the last girl goes out, this goes up, all the girls are inside here.
So we're going to come back out of the finale.
Yeah, that's the finale.
The models are now all here. They're getting ready. The tableau lifts, then you come out this way.
So I can see the other people there.
And you acknowledge these people here for the side of the room, and then you go back.
Okay. This we do it for the picture, because if it's a great picture, it's gonna run everywhere. Like the last season, that picture ran everywhere. You have to give a good picture to the press. That's what we're trying to do here. Because, I mean, what you want to get in the picture in the finale is the best, the message.
Chez Versace, on a le sens de l'image qui tape, du casting qui tape, des super mannequins qui tapent et des campagnes de pub qui tapent. Cette saison, c'est le grand photographe Mario Testino qui doit inventer le prochain visuel publicitaire pour la collection pas encore terminée.
Hello. This is Mario Testino. Yeah, you know it. So what do you think of the idea of the campaign?
So
Because
I think that it's a time to go back to the soul of the company and
but how can we push forward?
On fait aussi avancer l'image de la maison avec l'injection de nouvelles mannequins sensations de la saison comme l'angélique et texane Lindsay Wixon et l'Argentine rebelle folle Tati Cotillard.
We're gonna change the boots moment. Can you stop gossip here? Okay, I concentrate on the clothes. I'm trying to create a collection. I mean, if this is a way to work, in a creative moment like this, let's close it. È dura? Paolo, solo tu puoi farcela. Mi date 2 spilli, per favore? What's happening in the back is too big.
Oh no.
You like Inter? It's the best Inter. Look, we have to win tonight. Blue, black are the team colors. That's why I open the show like that. I'm kidding. My son is at the stadium. He's 19 years old. He wants me to go to see the game tonight. I told him I have to do something to do here. He said, but you can't come. You put a scarf on yourself. Nobody sees you there. Look, there's 90,000 people there. Wow, Lindsay. She's brand new. She's the hottest girl in town. She's a doll face. How old are you, Lindsay? 16. 16? Oh, God. You're adorable. You look adorable. Beautiful. You know what? The only problem, she's 16.
I know. I feel great.
She's my age. I don't want people of my age in the show. I feel uncomfortable.
I understand.
You understand that, right?
I understand.
A little bit older.
Yeah. Sorry. Cancel.
She can't. Gorgeous, Lindsay. Look gorgeous. Sexy. I shouldn't say this because only 16, but it's sexy. Her mouth is in the shape of a heart, a little heart. So cute. We have to make sure a girl like her, so young, to make her feel comfortable. you know, when we go on the runway, so to talk to them and be close to them. Psychologically, it's very important, you know, because the top model is one thing, they get away with a lot of experience, but the young girl, we need to be a little bit taken care. I really care about that, you know. I think this is one of the good things being a woman designer, because I can understand that better than men.
When did you get started? Can you tell me
Last summer, yeah. I was scouted in my hometown at like a modeling competition.
That you won?
Yeah, I did. But it's snowballed, I think, since last summer. It's gotten really good. Yeah, I think I have to do the rehearsal though.
Yeah.
Do you know where I should go?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Gorgeous, look at the back. Well, Mark, I follow your direction, Mark. You asked me long sleeves dress for ladies. I did it. You said I'm very commercial, ladies want long sleeves. I did it. It's done. Longer skirt, too mini, I did longer skirts. I follow directions. This opened the show, so everybody's, I think it's more punchy for the opening. It's chic like this, but we can use somewhere else. You know, I'm not that chic. I try, but I can make it. And the skirt is too long. Can you make it a little bit shorter?
Why do you do fashion?
Because it's my passion. Because I can think of nothing else to do. Because I was, you know, I grew up around fashion and with my brother Gianni, always talking about fashion. I was his little muse. When I was a little girl, 11 years old, I was wearing all these fabulous clothes Gianni was making for me. I think it's important. It's part of our culture, in general. Through a dress, you can, you know, you don't need to read a book or to see which year we are, what we're doing. Just look at this. This is define a time, fashion. So it is very important. It's very personal, yes. My thinking of fashion is very personal. I don't think fashion is a form of art. Art is art. Fashion is a different thing. But at the same time, I think it's part of pop culture. It's very important.
Donatella Versace va surveiller Versus, sa ligne bis qui sera présentée dans 3 jours à la presse. Versus est dessiné par son protégé, le créateur anglais Christopher Kane.
Ah, you cut your hair! You look good. Oh, so good to see you. This is Christopher Kane,
Hello, nice to meet
the
you.
most talented designer.
Elle a remarqué le jeune styliste alors qu'il était à l'école et l'a soutenu en lui offrant les tissus de sa collection de fin d'études jusqu'à lui donner aujourd'hui les reines de Versus.
How are you, darling?
I'm good, are you?
This is
You
Tammy.
well? Hi.
Tammy Kane, Christopher's sister, and right hand.
Yeah.
Arm
I'm
of
his-
Christopher. She's so tough. She's so talented as well. And she's tough. And it reminds me so much when I start to work with Gianni, brother and sister relationship. They are complementary to each other. It's fantastic to see them working together. Wow, what I'm seeing here.
Right. Unbelievable.
Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. I love Versus. He's not afraid to dare. He's not afraid to take risk, which is very rare in young designer today. I'll see you later. I'm there.
Okay.
He doesn't want to say anything, but you're allowed to come whenever you want. Qualcuno spilli, per favore? Well, this is one of my favorite dresses of the show. Because of the color and the asymmetrical cut, and because it is Onambi. Come l'Inter, come va? This is the last 3 minutes. Oh. Like the one before the show, the 3 minutes before the show starts. These guys will come to the men's show again.
I saw them.
This
Yeah,
is blue,
yeah, I saw them last.
They prefer to come to the women's show, I have to say. È finita?
Sta zitto.
Yeah. È finita, yes! We won, Inter won.
Il est 22h à Milan, c'est l'heure de la répétition. Luigi Massi, le premier d'atelier, a consenti à laisser sortir des robes de son atelier, mais elles restent encore à finir.
Encore un grand bazar, mais ça devrait, ouais.
Versace est l'une des 2 maisons au monde à se permettre le luxe onéreux d'une répétition générale en costume. Luxe onéreux parce qu'il faut mobiliser les mannequins toute une soirée supplémentaire.
But look, I mean, you've got all the upper part and the bottom part to be finished. So it's at least 1 hour work. Yeah, it's gonna be just in time.
No, non capivo. Ma non è perché sei di corsa. Così.
La robe rouge destinée à la mannequin argentine Tati est encore en chantier. Notre garnison de super mannequins attend, sachant que l'heure sup de mannequin, ce n'est pas donné. Voici donc la sieste, la plus chère du monde.
We need to do anyway, I mean, it's already 10:30.
La robe rouge ne sera pas prête ce soir, la répétition va se faire sans elle. Elle ne sera essayée par Tati que demain, à quelques minutes du défilé, ce qui est un petit peu risqué.
Girls, I need all models, please, to come out to the stage now.
You are?
Lindsay.
No, wait. Tati, one. Tati, one exit. Lindsay, 2. So at the end of your exit, you go this way, and you go and take your position.
Face this. I want to go off face this. When this opens, this is a surprise reveal. What we're wanting you all to do is really play to the audience.
Whatever we want to do.
Yes, exactly. But not moving, not moving around.
But
just a nice, elegant mood.
Yes, I won't
Okay.
show my...
You have dresses?
Okay, now go get dressed and we do the show now, the rehearsal.
Music. Thank you, girls. Can you see me there?
Yes.
I don't know. I like it, but this is important enough that the girls will love the clothes. It's a good vibe. When you see the girl, no, I want this, I want that, I want to wear this. This is good. It's a good vibe. I'm gonna fix something. I'm gonna cancel one outfit, and now I'm gonna do the little changements, but just little things. The thing is that tomorrow, with hair and makeup and everything, it's gonna look totally different. But I love the finale, the tableau. I love drama. I'm a drama queen, so. What do you think of the show, honestly?
No, I think it's good. I think it's a little... At some point, you lose
The strength?
Yeah.
The focus or the strength?
The strength.
You lose a little bit of strength when? Which part? What?
Where are the whites?
Oh, but we have white dress at the beginning.
There's a moment in here.
Oh, because the white dress comes out again?
It's too long in between. I don't know, can I say that?
We don't eat today.
I don't want to become him.
Rosanna, non c'è tempo, dai, comincia ad andare, comincia.
I don't know. You just like, okay. And then you lose completely the strength.
I want to cut this, but this I thought was heavy and unnecessary. It was a little bit repetition.
There's nothing to do here because it's the repetition of the
It's
color.
this.
And we don't
You know, the biker thing is all over. It's here, it's there, it's all over. That was Pierre is saying.
Yeah, but he's right, but that's why.
Yeah, right. Because it's the same color. No, because this and this is the same thing.
You would have to take out 4.
This is way too much. Put Sasha there. And we drop this one. Oh. Pierre, I will never ask your opinion again. No, I'm kidding.
C'est le matin du défilé et Donatella Versace travaille dans sa voiture. Même pour les trajets de quelques mètres, elle prend la berline avec chauffeur garde du corps, une mesure de sécurité que l'on comprend, son frère ayant été assassiné en pleine rue.
This dress, for example, we tried last night.
This one we take off this one.
Yes.
And we take off this one.
So
and
just
the other
two.
one, and the other one is going to be just the fabric, just pure line.
And I think we try to put a little bit more distant from each one, but you cannot do more than this, right? This is a...
This can be something that we do for the production.
But not
right
for
now.
the show.
Donatella Versace fait une pause personnelle pour se rendre en pèlerinage dans l'ancien palazzo de son frère Gianni Versace, dont elle était si proche. Un appartement laissé en l'état depuis sa mort, un lieu berceau de la marque, avec sur la porte le visage de la Médusa devenu logo apposé sur tous les produits. Moment de recueillement dans cette capsule intacte et révélatrice de la personnalité du couturier. Pour la première fois, la très pudique Donatella Versace laisse une caméra filmer ce passage obligé.
After his death, I never closed the apartment. Always he was, I come here for work, I come here to think, I come here to get inspiration, because I think it's a place where whenever I look around, I worked so much with Gianni. I mean, I was next to him all the time when he was alive, working. We worked together as a team, very, very close.
It's a very special smell, no?
Yeah. There are also candles I put around and spray because I like to feel exactly the same. Like we really had fun together. I like to remember those moments. It gives me so much strength to be here. This was Gianni's studio. When he was home, he was working here.
Did you dream last night?
Oh, nightmares. It's a cliche to say, but I often happen to dream about my brother 2 or 3 days before the show. The same dream comes that my brother arrived, Gianni, unexpected. He started to say nothing is okay, everything needs to be redone, and take the rags to the closet, push it away. I said, why did you do this? Then let's start all over again. I woke up in a panic. Nightmares. This used to be in the bedroom. This was his bed. these fabulous things are.
It feels like you've become Jenny now.
I become Jenny?
You are.
I took his place, which I really feel sometimes was all right, because I'm in this position because he died, not because I deserved. So sometimes it's strange to feel like this. I'd rather to be alive and to continue working with him. I wouldn't want to become him. He was a strong personality, both of us. I'm kidding. He was a genius as a designer. He was, you know, a gentleman.
Après un rapide passage chez elle, Donatella Versace se rend au défilé.
This is our hours, the longest 4 hours. I'm scared, completely scared. You never know you can be received, you know? Never.
Again, sorry. Perhaps it's Paola for the red dress. I have to answer.
Is it Paola making it or?
Matteo?
At 3 o'clock we have to go to the theater. Yeah. We don't eat today. So Luigi will be late today?
I guess so, as usual, because it's a tradition, we can say.
I
It's a
hate that.
tradition.
I hate to be late for the show. I wish I could start on time.
Molta pazienza ci vuole. Sì.
Quanti abiti hai fatto per le sfilate?
6.
E quanti ci sono ancora da finire?
6.
There's a lot of
And
pressure.
it's late period. Doesn't
And-
matter. Even if there's nothing else going on, because he likes to start to work maybe 11 in the morning, but finish at 5 in the morning. He does this routine. He likes to suffer.
He's an artist.
Yeah, he's an artist. He likes to suffer.
For sure, he's a
Probably I'm
genius.
not an artist. I don't like to suffer that much.
23 anni. 10 anni con lui e 13 con Donatella. Gianni era un po' più duretto, però molto... Ho lavorato benissimo pure con Gianni io. Questo è complicato. Guarda, tutti i blocchi di pelle, il patchwork. Disegnarlo e cucirlo. Non finito bene, non perfetto, ma ho fatto sempre in tempo. Sì. Finora, speriamo bene. Speriamo bene. Ah, così.
I hate banality, ordinary things. Not in fashion, I'm all in fashion in general. I'm a bit extreme in my choices. I think if you have to be blonde, you really have to go platinum, all the way. If not, dark. Like you see? This is me. On this, on that. Nothing in between. But I shouldn't say this, but the part that I hate the most is now, a little bit, all the interviews with the press. You know the question I hate the most? What's inspiration? Everybody asking me, show after show, men or women, anything. What's inspiration? Where do you take your inspiration? If you're a creative person, you're inspired continuously from the things unexpected, you know. You can inspire me. Your camera. This camera is inspiring me right now because it's you know, because of the image, because of, something technological in a way. But you can say this, in an interview, because we don't understand. So maybe they expect me to say, oh, I did the strip in Morocco, was inspired by the Moroccan colors. I won't say that.
What was your inspiration for this collection?
È una domanda che odio di più.
Così sarà?
Io non sono ispirata, sono perstirata.
She needs that we ask her the question, so I ask you, what is her inspiration of the collection?
No, that's she has to tell you. I'm not allowed to make this kind of answer, because if I just made a little mistake in the words, she's gonna kill me.
En attendant les robes de Luigi Massi, son premier d'atelier, Donatella Versace part en inspection chez Versus, sa ligne bis, qui sera présentée dans 2 jours. Et voilà qu'elle a l'idée de la mise en scène de cet autre défilé à venir.
For Sunday, I think we should make a move, girls. Not stay like that.
Yeah, okay.
Like a wave like this, so we're gonna be like this and like this.
It's nice.
We should put something in front so people don't go very close.
Yeah.
We've done like 16 looks already, so we've been really fast.
The blue part became amazing. At the worst time, there's 2 hours before the show.
I don't know, because
We finish it to do a trash show in the clothes. Luigi is missing in action on the way.
Realizing that.
His most important clothes of the show. The Luigi, the one that they
So
there.
you always feed off each other.
Last night he arrived when the rehearsal was, rehearsal in the runway. He was finishing the clothes. Now he called me. He wants to make me have a heart attack. What time the show starts? What you mean? You know what time the show starts. Okay, you come and see the show. I'm gonna come and pull from your hair. Okay. Ciao Tati.
Ciao, comment va?
Bene, cara.
Let's go, you're very good.
Nous sommes à 1h30 du défilé Versace et la mannequin argentine Tati n'a pas encore essayé une seule fois la robe rouge en cuir métallique qui lui est attribuée. Et cet essayage relève du pile ou face. Pile, elle l'enfile. Face, catastrophe.
Manca loro, ovviamente.
Sì, ma principe girarlo.
Ok. Io direi che non abbiamo tempo, per quello lo guardano così.
Go.
Finish it.
This is gonna go.
Yeah. Paola. Quiere más.
Sì, un pochino più alto lo vuole. Ce la facciamo a fargli un po' più alto? Quindi ti va un po' più su.
Manca ancora che Conetta in vita che glielo blocca, che non scende, Non ce l'ho
Okay.
ancora
We're gonna have
messo.
something in
Non
the
ce l'avevo
waist
ancora
to keep
messo.
it up.
Perfect.
Okay? Perfetto. Let's finish. Stop. Lei però fa un difetto.
Non ci abbiamo tempo,
Questo qui sulla ragazza che aveva messo questo. Lei ha questo e guardiamo su.
Okay, so let's take it off her.
Ruby, very fast, honey. I just have to try it on the dresser.
Marina c'è la soluzione così.
What, were you scared of changing dresses? No.
Can you just walk 1 second?
Walk.
Donatella!
Lascia per No, fa proprio un difetto, Molto meglio, diamo il viola a lei, allora? Sì. E questo a lei, ok. Tolgono bene il tulle, lì sì.
Una festa del sasso. Rosanna, non c'è tempo, dai, comincia a andare.
It's 5 o'clock, you know, the show is at 5:30. The dress is nowhere to be done before 2 hours.
Fashion is about Versace. In the past it was an incredible heritage, and they still having such inspiring clothes, inspiring fashion moment.
I base everything on Donatella when I work with her. To me, she represents the Versace woman.
In the old days, you know, being all, you know, made up and having a beautiful dress was just, you know, normal. It's now that we have this new thing of being underdressed and always breaking down, you know, the glamour to make it a little bit rebel and everything. Before, women were not so scared of being fantastic.
Ciao Luigi, a piedi sei venuto? Ah, buongiorno, si saluta? Ah, scherzo, io, ciao. Lascio qua? Just let me centimeter shorter. Yeah. Thank you for coming. You keep me company to me. How are you?
How are you?
Good, good. Good. You like a glass of champagne?
Some water would be great.
Water? Okay.
Yes.
Anna.
What's wrong?
I'm tired. You must be exhausted too.
Oh, I am.
I hope you like the collection.
Go to my seat. Am I locked in? We're locked in.
Bruce is gonna walk in.
Thank you.
How long before the show now?
We are half an hour late, so it's supposed to be half an hour ago. I'm gonna go and check if everybody's... We are about to start, I think. Julie? No?
It's really empty. I know. I love this story.
Sei bellissima.
Grazie.
Hey, sexy on the runway, eh? Rocket, sexy. Julie, the music is to be high, remember? Do you miss that? I never say that, right?
Angela, we're going to start. Are you ready?
We start, yes. No.
Angela, you ready? We're going. Okay.
Go. We can start. Go. Attitude. Walk fast. Not too fast. Fast. Go show everyone. Have fun. 1, 2, 3, go. Go. Is the music loud enough? Tati divina.
Bocciato,
No, look at Tati. Fashion is like music. It's to bring people up. It's to bring people want to do something, wanted something. If fashion follows the same mood of economy, of depressive mood around, the fashion doesn't have a reason to exist. Sexy girl. I want to give a positive message, especially to young people. to encourage people to say, be yourself. Don't let what is around you stop following your dream, stop pursuing your dream. So the fashion needs to move forward, to break barriers, and to keep dreaming, to keep making people dreaming.
Oh, lasciate le ragazze che tornano là, Enrico.
Dove tornano?
Vai, vai, vai.
Voglio verificare. Accenderanno le luci, no?
Fai avere però finalmente è finito, dai.
You're right, just in the last minute, as always.
Grazie a tutti!
It was amazing. Look at this dress. I don't want to take it off. Very sexy. She's great. She's Italian. She's like Argentinian people. We're so warm and she's the best. So crazy.
I'm very proud of everyone. It was really great. You get great energy, yeah. And the reaction was good too, so everybody liked it.
Oh, congratulations! I loved it.
One is with one of the best. Yes, please. Thanks.
I want to say congratulations. We're so excited to have the product in the store this season. So thank you. Congratulations. Wonderful show. Fantastic.
Grazie mille per tutti, è hermoso. Yes.
Così, tu? No, la gente.
Donatella, how do you feel now?
not relief. I feel I'm still thinking if I could do something better, if I did everything right, and what would be better. I'm gonna look at the video now, on the show, quiet, by myself. I'm sure I'm gonna find mistakes. So, I'm sure I made some mistakes. So.
But mistakes are good, no?
Not always. I mean, if I know too many, it's okay. I often don't find too many. I'm thinking, thank you, I'm thinking of Versus now. We have Versus in Sunday. So, I'm gonna do that and then switch off on Versus. Okay. See you later, guys. Thank you.
2 jours plus tard à Milan, c'était donc le défilé Versus, soit la seconde ligne de l'Empire. Les mannequins étaient fatigués, enfin épuisés. On changeait tout 1 heure avant, on cherchait encore Tati.
Tati dov'è?
Et Tati avait encore des problèmes de robe. Le cirque de la mode qu'adore tant Donatella Versace et que lui avait inculqué son frère Gianni continuait.
Après la mode selon Donatella Versace, place à la mode selon Fendi. Juste le temps de faire un tour en cabine et de se changer. À tout de suite.